Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Thanks a lot for giving the opportunity to interview you.
You're
It's a
welcome.
pleasure. And I would like you please to introduce yourself.
My name is Babalorisha Osun Kolade Olaiwola Olosun.
Eu desde já, agradeço o facto de dar a oportunidade de estar a entrevistá-lo e solicitei-lhe para ele, por favor, poder se apresentar. Ele diz que é Babalorisha Osun Kolade Olaiwola Olosun. Can you please tell us where are you from?
I'm from Osun Temple at Ataoja's Palace, Osogbo.
So you are from Osogbo.
I'm from Osogbo.
Pronto, eu perguntei-lhe de onde é que ele era e ele disse que era do Templo de Oxum, no Palácio do Ataojá, em Osogbo. Can you please tell us more about yourself? Can you talk about yourself, please?
I'm one of the Osun priests at Osogbo, and my mother, she's the Osun, she's the chief high priestess of Osogbo.
Right
now, the present one at the Ataoja's Palace.
Pronto, eu perguntei se ele podia falar um pouco mais sobre ele. Ele disse que é um dos sacerdotes de Oxum neste momento no palácio em Osogbo, e que a mãe dele é presente Yá Oxum, que está neste momento tomando a posição de sacerdotisa principal de Oxum em Osogbo. Your family is very popular.
Yes.
Is very respected in Osogbo, and your father is very well known. He was one of the highest priests from Oshun in Osogbo. Can you please talk about him small?
My father was the high priest of Oshun in Osogbo. The name of my father is Olaiwola Inyada Olosun. He's the one of the. My father he was the person that make Osun to be. That is the one that secure the Osun Grove and the Osun Temple at the Osun Temple at the palace, and there's one of the priests that preserve the grove and the Osun Temple, and anything that Osun, that the people are looking for Osun, that they are looking today, that what they are calling what they are calling Osun, all the word where the Osogbo is worshipping. My father is the one that is preserving anything that is pertaining to Osun.
Então eu perguntei-lhe porque ele é de uma família muito popular, muito conhecida em Osogbo, uma família que é respeitada no culto de Oxum, e eu solicitei para ele falar um pouco do pai dele, porque o pai dele foi uma pessoa muito respeitada e muito conhecida na terra iorubá. Então ele explicou um pouco sobre a história do pai. O pai dele foi quem lutou para que a floresta sagrada se conseguisse preservar, assim como também o templo de Oxum, que hoje ainda existe no Palácio da Ataojá. And your family, like I said, is very, very respected. All your brothers and sisters, are they still be Olosun priests? Are they following the legacy of your father?
All of us, we are following the legacy of my father, and all of us, we are Olosun from our senior brother Adigun Olosun. So it's our senior brother today. It's our elder today. So, and it's the one that is taking the position of our father today, and then because I'm the last born of our father, so all of us, we are following the legacy of our father. So all of us, we are Olosun.
Ok, eu perguntei, porque o pai, como era muito respeitado, se a família deles, todos os irmãos, se também continuavam esse legado que o pai deixou de preservar o culto de Oxum em Oxobô. E ele disse que todos os irmãos eram Oloxuns, que seguiam o legado do pai, e que o irmão mais velho, que é o sacerdote Adigun Oloxum, que está na posição do pai, que todos eles seguem o legado do pai. E ele é o mais novo, foi o último dos filhos do Baba Oloxum. Then I would like you, please, that you talk as well about your mother, the white mother, because your father with Susana Venga, they have worked together on the preservation of what today Oxum is, and we know that all of you live together with her. So I would like you to talk about
if
her.
we want to talk about her with my father, maybe if we're starting from morning to evening, we are not going to finish it. But just to talk about her, small, Mama Adoni Olorisa, she was great mother, and then she was living in Oshogbo, but my father is the one that made her to be in Oshogbo, and then she's the one that taking care of the grove and all the shrine that is in Oshogbo. She's the one that make her for the people to not destroy it, to not spoil it. She's the one that is spending her money on it. She's the one that is doing everything for all anything that is pertaining the cultural, anything that's pertaining the traditional cultural in Oshogbo, not to be spoiled. So she did a lot.
So it means that she continued the legacy of your father.
Yes, she followed the legacy of my father, and then she continued what my father left.
And she took all of you.
She took all of us, because
as our children.
All my brother and my sister were living with her. Even though I was born in her hand. She's the one that brought me up. She's the one that I knew as mother. She's taking care of me as mother and father. So she was very great mother, very nice mother. So she's the one that I knew. So she tried a lot for us.
So eu perguntei-lhe, porque a família dele, como é muito conhecida, qual a relação da família dele com a Susana Venga. E ele explicou que a Susana trabalhou junto com o pai e depois seguiu o legado do pai de preservação ao culto de Oxum e também da floresta sagrada em Oxobô. Ele explicou que que todos os irmãos dele viveram com a Susana, a Adonia Olorixá, e que ele inclusive nasceu nas mãos dela, que ela fez muito por Oxobô, que ela ajudou a preservar, que ela gastou do dinheiro dela e que hoje o culto Oxum é reconhecido e está oficialmente preservado, porque ela finalizou todo o trabalho que o pai começou, que ela foi de facto uma mãe para eles e que fez muito por eles. Then the last question, as a Oxum priest, can you tell us a little bit about Oxum? Who is Oxum?
Oxum is the Orisha, and then she's female Orisha, and then it's one of the Orisha that is come from the heaven, and then she's the only female Orisha that come with all the Orisha, with the rest from the heaven. And then Oxum, because each Orishas, the God send them to, God give them each person the duty. The duty that they also give to the Olodumare give to Oxum is for the people that they are looking for the baby. Oxum is the spirit of the water, and there's the divinity of the water. So that is the what Oxum is doing. But it's still doing all the problems that the people are. But the main things that it's doing is for the people that are looking for the baby. That is what Oxum is doing.
So, eu perguntei se ele podia falar um pouquinho sobre Oxum. E ele diz que Oxum é um orixá, que foi o primeiro orixá feminino que veio para a criação da terra, que veio com os primeiros orixás quando vieram para a criação da terra, que Olodumaré deu autoridade e função a todos os irumalés, a todos os orixás, e deu a Oxum também o poder de dar a cada mulher a possibilidade de ter um filho. É a maior função que Oxum tem, através da água, para alguém que não consiga ter filhos. Ela dá esse poder de as mulheres darem à luz uma criança. So you are saying that Oxum, Olodumaré, gave her to her the power as well to the other Irumales.
Yes.
So every one of the Irumales,
they have their own power that the Irumale give them.
Different.
They are all different. So Irumale give them their own, each of them, they have their own power that the Irumale give them to use in this house. Separately.
Ok. Eu perguntei, gostaria de ouvir, pronto, da parte dele, ele diz que o Olodumaré deu a cada orixá um poder e autoridade independente, cada um tem a sua independência e cada um tem o seu poder. Another question: which oracle does Oxum use?
Also used to use the cowrie, the 16 cowries, to make the divination for the people that is come to her. Anything that you want to know, or when you want to read, you used to use the cowries to make the divination, sometimes using the cola, but the word also exactly what is used is cowries.
Eu perguntei qual era o método de adivinhação, o sistema que Oxum usava e que eles usavam, e ele diz que o método de sistema de adivinhação que Oxum usa é os 16 búzios, o Erindilogun, e também usa o Obi. This power and this knowledge that Oxum has from the Erindilogun, where did she get it?
She get it from Olodumare. Normally, Obatala is the Orisha that is gave Oshun the cowries to use. Is get the cowries from Obatala, so that is how the Oshun get the cowries that is using. Because when the people used to come to Oshun, that they want to know something apart from the power that they give her, so anything that you want to ask, and then they just went to Obatala, that what they can use. That is why Obatala gave her the cowries to use.
So eu perguntei-lhe a ele se ela usa o Erindilogun, de quem, ou de que orixá, ou de onde é que ela tomou esse conhecimento e esse poder. Ele disse que o poder vem de Olodumaré, mas que ela recebeu o Erindilogun de Obatala, que foi ele que lhe deu. But let me ask you one question. Obatala, as far as I'm concerned, if I'm wrong, correct me, is the first Orisha that Olodumare created. Is the oldest among
is the oldest among us, and is the leader.
Okay, Obatala
is the leader, is the oldest and is the leader of them when they are coming to the hearth.
Pronto, eu perguntei relativamente ao Obatala, quem era Obatala, e ele diz que Obatala é o mais velho de todos os orixás e é o líder de todos os orixás, porque quando Olodumaré os mandou para a terra, foi ele que veio a liderá-los para a terra. Just one last question. It means that Oxum got the power direct from Olodumare.
Yes, Oxum got power direct from Olodumare.
But because Obatala is the elder from all of them, to give the respect, she went to request the Erindilogun
from Obatala.
But the power is from
Olodumare. So because each of them they come from Olodumare. When they are coming,
Direct
your
power
direct power from Olodumare.
Olodumare.
All of them, they are coming with Obatala, with the Shango, with Oshun, all of them like that. With the Orumela God is they are coming from Olodumare. But each of them,
Have their own power.
they have their own power, because Olodumare send them, each of them, to come and do this in this earth. So he give them each power. That you Obatala, you are the one that you are going to raise the human being like this. Oshun, you are going to do this because of the people that are doing for the body. Like, so each of them, he gave them their own power.
Okay, but being Obatala the oldest one, and like the maybe from there come the Yoruba culture, there's always respect for the elders.
Of course, they have to respect it, because everywhere, all of them, they know that Obatala is the elder, because it's the oldest Orisha among them. So definitely we know that when somebody is oldest, we have to know that is the elder, and then is the oldest. So then we call it Babarubo.
Okay.
So then we call Babarubo because it's very old Orisha.
Okay. So you believe that the Erindilogun was given from Olodumare to Obatala for him to give
to Oshun
and to the other
to
ones.
the other, yes.
Okay, I understand. Pronto, eu quis saber mais, e principalmente porque é um sacerdote de Oxum, quis entender, eu fiz a pergunta se o poder de Oxum foi dado por Olodumare. Ele diz que sim, que o poder foi dado por Olodumare, porque Olodumare deu poder a todos os orixás. E dentro da cultura iorubá, eles respeitam sempre os mais velhos. Então que Obatala é o mais velho entre todos os orixás e é o líder. E que Olodumare deu o Erendilogun a Obatala. E foi Obatala que deu então aos outros orixás, e foi Obatala que deu ao Oxum. Mas o conhecimento e o poder veio de Olodumare. Oxum Kolade, until today, in Oshobo, I know your family is very respected, and I'm very happy that all of you follow the legacy of your father.
Thank you.
And I'm very happy that Adigun Oloshun is doing very well and is taking the position of your father.
Thank you.
Eu agradeci pelo fato da família dele continuar com o legado do pai, e principalmente pelo irmão mais velho, que é o Adigun Oloshun, que está neste momento a tomar a posição do pai e que realmente estão a manter a tradição. Oshun Kolade, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.